Session 7, and the word root that we are going to discuss today is macro. Macro has been derived from a Greek word macros, which means long or large. So anything wherein word macro is involved, just connect that with huge, long, large, or anything which is significant. Let's understand 20 words starting with macro. Macroevolution. Macroevolution means a significant evolutionary change. Macro world, a world from a larger perspective. Macro history, history about large cultural groups which is not focusing on specifics. Macro language, a language that involves large number of dialects is called macro language. Macro structure, an overall structure or organizational scheme. Macrobiotic, biotic is connected with living, a type of diet that consists of whole grains and vegetables. Macrocosm, the entire universe. Cosm is taken from the word cosmos. So macrocosm means the entire universe. Macro image, a large image. Macro trend, a huge trend. Macro scale, having a large scale. Macromania, thinking that the body parts are bigger than they are. Mania is related to exaggeration, a kind of madness. So macromania means thinking that the body parts are bigger than they actually are. Macronutrient, requiring large amount of different kinds of food. Nutrient is related to food, nutritious food. So macro means big, so requiring large amount of different kinds of food. Macromolecule, any very large complex molecule found only in plants and animals. Macroorganisms, also called as microbes, organisms that can be seen by your naked eyes. Macrophotography, photography that depicts small objects in a larger size than they are, that is called macrophotography. Macrophyte, phyte is always related to plants. So here macrophyte means a sea plant that is large enough to see it. Macrotus, anything which has large ears is called macrotus, like elephant. Macroscopic, anything relating to the things that can be visible with the naked eye. Macroeconomics, the branch of economy that studies the overall working of a national economy is called macroeconomics. And the last word is macrosocial, relating to large societies or groups is macrosocial. So these were the 20 words with the root word macro. Tomorrow we will be discussing words starting with the root word micro. Thank you.